What was that?
It's a Tyrannosaurus.
I don't think so. It sounds bigger.
How would you classify it, Billy?
Well, it's a super predator. Suchomimus. Snout.
No, think bigger.
Baryonyx.
Not what that's saying. Spinosaurus ejecticus.
I don't remember that on Jen's list.
Because it wasn't on their list, and that makes you wonder what else they were up to.
My phone?
Yeah, your satellite. Where is it?
I don't have it. I loaned it to Nash. He must have had it when he...